The distance from town A to town B is 5 miles. C is 6 miles from B. Which of the following could be the distance from A to C? So 1, 11, 2, 1, 3, 7. So the choices are 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, or 1, 2, or 3. So which of the following is are true? Okay, so let us draw the figure if the answer can be 11, 1, or 7. So the distance from A to B, town A to town B is 5 miles. So let us draw the figure from point town A to town B. The distance is 5, 5 miles. Town A to town B. And then C is 6 miles. C is 6 miles from B. So C is 6 miles from B. Okay, so let's put C here. If C is here and if they lie in a straight line, so if this is 6, then the distance from A to C is equal to 11. 5 plus 6, that is 11. So therefore, 1 can be true. 11 can be true. How about number 2? The distance from A to C can be 1. Is that possible? Okay, so let's draw another figure. If this is A and this is B, town B, and the distance is 5, that is possible. The distance from B to C is 6 if they also lie in a straight line and town C is on this side, and then this can be C to B, that can also be B6. So the distance from A to C is 1 because we can subtract 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. So therefore, distance from A to C is 1 can also be true. Okay? Let's try 7. Is 7 a possible distance from A to C? Okay, so this will be the figure for 7. If this is point A and this is town B and their distance is 5. So it is also possible for the distance from A to C is 7 if, let's say, the town C is here, and then the distance from B to C, given the distance from C to B is 6 miles. So if this is 6, so it is also possible for the distance of A to C to be 7, because we can form a triangle with distance or with lengths of 5, 6, and 7. So therefore, 1, 2, and 3 can also be true. Therefore, the correct answer is letter E, 1, 2, or 3. So all this distance of from A to C are possible, 11, 1, or 7. Follow for more.